Hi, third graders. I want to teach you guys how to do a discussion just a little bit easier today. So if you go down to our Tuesday work, there is a discussion right here, and it's called Math Goal 1. So I'm going to go ahead and press it. Now, in order for you guys to start a discussion, you have to press this reply. If you hover over it, you can see the rectangle gets darker. So you know that if I press on it, it's going to open up this big giant text box. Okay, so once the text box is open, you can type in anything that you would like, but hopefully it makes sense. Or you can do something kind of cool. What you can do is you can insert a video of yourself talking. Now, this discussion is called your math goal. So I want you to think about a goal that you can complete during this first, let's say, 5 or 6 weeks. We looked through the math book and we kind of are anticipating what we're going to learn. So thinking about that, I want you to decide what you want to do in order to grow as a mathematician in this next few weeks. So in order to upload a video, you can find this rectangle, and the rectangle has a little triangle in it. And if you hover over it, it says record/upload media. So I'm going to press on that. When I press on it, a box like this pops up. You might need to turn on your mic. One way to test it is if you talk, this blue bar starts moving in and out. That's the sound of your voice. And you also might turn on your webcam. Mine right now says no video, so I'm going to turn on my webcam. It might be a little bit tricky because I'm recording with a webcam already, so it's probably not going to want to do it twice. But if you turn on your webcam, yours should work. So I'm going to hit start recording. Hi everybody. One thing that I want to do in the next few weeks in math is I want to get really fast with my multiplication facts. I want to know all my facts from 1s all the way to 12s, and I want to know them as fast as I can snap my fingers. I want to be able to beat a calculator if my friend tries to quiz me. So one way that I'm going to do that is by studying flashcards every night for at least 10 minutes, and that should be able to get me really, really fast. I think I'm going to skip over the ones I already know and really practice the ones that are tricky. Those 6s and 7s and 8s are usually the ones that stump me, and I need to get faster at those. So my goal is to get really, really snappy fast with multiplication, and I'm going to do that by studying the ones that are tricky for me for at least 10 minutes a night. When you press finish, your video can be saved. So after you're finished, you can press save, and the cool thing is it might take a second, but it pops right in to this bar. So now all you have to do is hit the post reply orange rectangle right here, and then it saves under your name. If you want to try that out, you can go ahead and try making a video for the discussion. If you would rather just type in your goal, you can. But I not only want you to tell me a goal that you have for math, but I want to tell me how you're going to reach that goal too. So that might be like 1 or 2 steps to get you to reach your goal. All right, have fun playing around with this discussion today.